Find features that distinguish it from other brands from MRAWARM Heated Socks. 5V, 6000 mAh rechargeable heated socks. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because larger heating area. Compared to other heated socks, this year we upgrade heating area, not only including the whole sole of foot, and also add heating elements on toes area, which will provide more warmth than other socks. Our heated socks are equipped with 5V, 6000 mAh Li-polymer rechargeable batteries. Heating time can last up to 4 hours on the highest setting and 9 hours on the lowest heat setting. So you don't need to worry about heating time. 3 temperature levels. MRAWARM heated socks are designed with 3 temperature levels. You can adjust the proper temperature of the heated socks according to your need. At first, you adjust the high temperature setting to warm your foot quickly. After a few minutes, adjust to low temperature setting to continuously warm your foot. Winter heated socks. Warm heated socks are made of premium polyester mix fiber, soft, breathable, and elastic. Combining ergonomic design and heat-absorbing loops, these men-women heated socks will bring you a comfy winter. Perfect gift for winter. Thermal heated socks are suitable for various outdoor activities in winter, such as fishing, cycling, motorcycling, camping, hiking, skiing, skating, outdoor work and other activities. It is perfect warm gift for lovers, parents, and friends on Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day and Valentine's Day. Fits for men 5 to 11 US size, women 7 to 10 US size. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.